Welcome back to the DIY Auto channel. My name is Jeff with All Around Auto Techs. Today I am doing something different. I'm not actually going to show you what I did on this 2007 Mercury Monterey, but I'm going to tell you because there are already some videos on how to replace the fan assembly or the radiator to do a lot of what it takes. But to just do the fan, I did not take out the radiator. I did not take off the coolant. I did not take off the battery tray, as some people in some other videos do. But what you will need to do is you will have to disconnect the line going to the condenser on the driver's side, on the bottom. Because once you disconnect that line and you have disconnected the bolts from the fan and the wires, got all the wires out of the way, watch other videos that'll show you how to do that. It's not very difficult. You unplug the fan and everything, including the AC hose muffler, which is a bolt that's right in the middle underneath, 10 millimeter. Once you get that out of the way and move it to the right a little bit, then you can sneak the fan assembly out of the driver's side through the bottom on the driver's side and finagle it out right where that line is for the condenser. Now you will have to evacuate and recharge and put another O-ring on the line, but believe me, it's a lot easier than taking the radiator out. Okay? So, try it out. Again, it's not something I'm really going to show you how to do. But one other thing as well is when you are taking it out, you will have to take the 4 bolts off the side of the assembly that holds in the radiator and the condenser, because that will allow it to go down a little bit. But again, what's holding it up is the lower radiator hose. It's not going to allow the radiator to fall out. Okay? So that holds it in. And while you have those 4 bolts, 2 on each side, 10 millimeters, off, pull it down, and again, it'll come down. Now, does it take some finagling, putting back? Yep. And you may have to use a jack stand. You may have to have a helper. Me, I put my leg on one side and pushed the other side up with my hands until I got into the right position, bolted in the fan onto the radiator, then put that cross member with the 4 bolts back on, and man, no coolant had to come out, but refrigerant does. So anyhow, make sure you evacuate and recharge as well. If you like this video, please click subscribe and like. This is Jeff, All Around Auto Tech, signing out.